Magnetic charging, without question, is a growing trend for mobile devices. The Snap refines the out-of-date way many of us charge. No more plug and unplug, no more tripping over cables, and no more frayed lightning cables. It is a simple, yet perfect solution to protect the lightning socket and cable of your iPhone. We have done countless engineering verification tests and design verification tests. After extensive testing, we finalised the best structure for the Snap. This finalised model delivers the highly optimised magnetic force to enable easy snap-on and detachment. We have experience in the cable industry for more than a decade. We are committing ourselves to deliver a perfect product with verified quality and safeness. The Snap works perfectly with the newest model of Apple's iPhone, iPhone 6s, and iPhone 6s Plus. Let's see how it works with iPhone 6s. It looks no different from iPhone 6, except for the colour, rose gold. Let's make it snappable. OK, the Snap is flawlessly compatible with iPhone 6s.